What's up guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Diablo Speed Demon spade bit set. Let's get right into the review. Alright, now that we got this open, let's look at the bits. Now that I'm looking at the box here, this could drill into, these are for wood specifically. They're made out of steel, and they're supposed to be high performance. So you got your different sizes here. 1 inch is the biggest one. The max revolutions per minute is 1500, and it has this little pouch here that slides into like that, and then you turn it like this so you can see the size like that. It comes in this pouch that you could fold closed, and then this strap here. You could put Velcro, keep it shut. Pretty compact. You can store this in a small drawer on your tool bench, your workbench. Very compact, very handy. These bits are very well made. I hope you guys liked this review, and I will see you guys next video.